Welcome back to the channel. So it feels like the M3 is always in the shop lately, but that's because I've had to bring it into the shop twice within 2 weeks, and it's just unfortunate timing because I believe all the maintenance intervals are starting to come back up. So the little story behind it was I was taking a turn really hard, and I was going a little bit fast, so my traction control kind of kicked in, and it kind of like limited the power. Basically, as I got out of the turn after traction control kicked in, I got this warning that said transmission malfunction, and I was like, oh no, this is really bad. If the transmission is blown or severely damaged, I'm gonna have to get it rebuilt. But I think it was just kind of like the computer getting freaked out when the traction control tried to limit the power, and it downshifted aggressively twice, because when I turned off the car, it went away. But we're gonna go get the transmission serviced by Precision Design, and we're gonna head over there right now.
Can you tell us what we did today and just like why you do it and the intervals of for the transmission flushes and changes?
Yeah, so typically we'll recommend anywhere from 60 to 80,000, kind of just depends how you drive the car, to do a DCT service. That can be either just a flush with the fluid, or you can go as far as doing the filter as well. There's two filters. There's a cartridge filter, which is this, think of it like an oil filter, and there's a suction filter inside once you remove the pan that you can do as well. Yours was in really good condition, so we reused the suction filter. The cartridge filter we did change though, it was kind of dark and nasty. And the fluid we use multi DCTF. This is used in a lot of different DCT cars. It's good fluid overall. And then what else? You get the fresh gasket, the pan, drain plug. There's a magnet in there as well. So it all comes pretty standard with the full service, but there's levels to it. You did one of the higher end levels, so you're getting a lot done with this.
Nice. Yeah. So how long is the process typically?
Typically you probably do the whole thing in just about 2 hours or so. A good amount of time today was spent waiting for parts, so there's that. But once you do it, you typically don't have to worry about it for another 60 to 80,000 miles. There is a sticker right here you'll see where it says lifetime fill. I don't know if you could read that, but these are not lifetime despite the sticker.
Yeah.
A lot of people say, well, no, that's the dealer saying that. You know, of course, like, you gotta listen to the dealer. No, we've drained these and they've come out, you know, pitch black before. Luckily, the previous owner of your car did do the flush one time, so it came out relatively nice colored, but I've drained it and it comes out like pitch black. That's not good. That's got contaminants, metal shavings, all that sort of thing. So by no means is this lifetime, so do not trust this sticker right here.
And then if you could do a quick like breakdown of the whole job, like step by step, I guess.
So basically you shoot off all these T30s right here. Well, actually before you do that, sorry, you drain from this H10. There's a plastic drain plug. Once all the fluid's drained, you shoot off these T30s right here. Pan drops. Then you can shoot off the 8mm or E10, V8, something like that, right here on the side. And you can access the cartridge filter, which is this. And then once all those bolts are off, the pan is removed, you can do the suction filter under there. That's just like 2 or 3 bolts, 2 T30s and 1 H6. And then once all that's changed, you can reassemble in that exact reverse order, basically. You refill from the side right here. We still need to do our second fill, so that's why this is on here. You pump it basically using a transfer, what's it called? Transfer pump for DCT fluid. So that pump right there is filled with this fluid, usually about 5 liters or so. Sometimes you go like 5.5, just depends on the trans. Okay. Once it's filled, you cap it, you bring the car down, start it like how it is right now. You shift through the gears a little bit, get the pressure to build up, let it warm up, and now we do the second fill. So we're going to be adding about another roughly 1.5 to 2 liters of fluid right now. Okay. Some smaller shops, if they're not experienced in this, they will not do the second fill because they don't know it's required. So very important to take your car to a certified BMW place that knows about the whole process required for DCTs.
Yeah, so if you have a BMW, bring it to Precision Design.
Yes, sir.
That's literally the only shop I bring this car to. So. Yeah. And it clearly likes being here because I was just here like 2 weeks ago. So. But yeah, shout out to them. Here's the pumping process. You know, it fills it up with the DCTF fluid, and then you pump it through.
So a little bit spills out, that's normal. What we're looking for is if I were to remove the whole tube, like this feed line, basically. Let's say I remove that and then it starts dribbling out, constant stream. That's how you know it's full, and that's when to stop. But we're gonna keep going up until it's at that point.
Oh wow. the DCT transmission service is done. I'm gonna lower it. It's recommended to drive it pretty easy and normal, you know, between 50 to 100 miles. Just have the fluid go through the whole system. Yeah, so I'm going to drive it normally, not gonna go crazy. But I'm hoping to see I'm hoping there's gonna be some changes, whether it's like shifting smoother or faster, but we'll have to just see first.
So I pulled up to this meet last minute after the gym.
It's close by to me, and it's a good mix of different cars. A lot of Hondas. Got a few foreign cars, but yeah, it's mostly a Honda meet.
I'll just film what catches my eye.
Integra boys pulling up. F80 with the clear tails. He also has the wheels that I want. I'm pretty sure these are the BBS RIAs. Let's get the other side because it's actually more light. But yeah, what do you guys think about this wheel? Okay, so there's a Craftsworks Supercharger license plate. So do you think this is boosted? Let's find out. Yep, it is. It's boosted. Clean. Damn, that fool trying to
show out.
Yeah, don't clown him.
No, I'm saying he's showing up, bro.
Yeah.
Relocated his oil filter to the top right there. Never seen something.
Yo, this is fire. Sorry that it's so dark, but it's freaking nighttime. Yo, look at the engine bay of this. This big ass intake, man. Carbon fiber. Clean though. Shout out to whoever owns this car. It's very clean. Honestly, this is worth more than the M3. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, this is worth more than the M3. Both of these. Type R. Oh my God, three of them. The game is on right now. It's 105 to 106. Denver's up by 1. LeBron is on the free throw. He made it. Okay, so it's tied.
Clippers in 5.
Tie game.
Hey,
Clippers to the finals, yo.
get this guy out of here.
Clippers to the finals, yo.
Get this guy out of here.
Mark my words, the Lakers are not winning.
Oh my God. It's clean as hell, man. Okay. Well, that rear end is nice. Dang. Got the F80 as well. Pretty nice. I like this paint code. Got this red NSX up here. Really clean. I don't see these around too much anymore because I haven't been going to meets because I was so busy. But yeah, really clean. Talked with the owner, pretty chill. But would you cop one for the price that they are these days? I don't
think I would. They're too expensive.
Okay. Matching interior too.
Hey, John, man.
Yeah. Type R pulled up. Mugen wheels, bro. Come on, bruh. Jay's racing. Wing. Jeez.